So this is the eighth sum. The next way or a different way of doing it, I'm going to split up the statement of affairs. So in the previous video we saw that how to do it in the same thing, that is 1/1/2018 and 31/12/2018 was there, that is the opening capital and the closing capital was found out in one statement of affairs. But now I've split up the statement of affairs, so if anyone has a confusion of doing it together, you can always split it up. So statement of affairs as on 1/1/2018 is the first one which we are going to do. So first let's look into the liabilities. So the liabilities, the first item is going to be creditors. So when you are doing 1/1/2018, you must look into only 1/1/2018 balances from your problem. So the creditors balance for 1/1/2018 is 1,30,000. Next item is your loan. So loan is 60,000. Next item is bills payable. Bills payable is 80,000. Your next one is gonna be your answer, that is nothing but your capital, so let that stay there. Since we have already done this, we know that the capital falls aside, right? So next we are going to move on to the asset side. So if you go to the asset side, it's only going to be rupees and rupees here. So the first asset is going to be cash at bank. So look into only 1/1/2018 figure. So it's going to be 80,000. The next asset is stock. So that's going to be 1,80,000. Our next asset is debtor. So debtors are 90,000. Lastly, it's plant and machinery. Plant and machinery is 1,70,000. So now, as usual, how we do, we are going to add up the asset side and the liability side. So my asset side comes to rupees 5,20,000. So that's going to be my grand total for both the sides. So I write 5,20,000 here too. My liability side total is only 2,70,000. So 5,20,000 minus my liability side total 2,70,000. I get a capital of 2,50,000. So this is gonna be my opening capital. So you can write over here as opening capital also. So opening capital, which is my balancing figure, that is 2,50,000. So after this, I'm going to open a statement of affairs for 31/12/2018. So I've opened a statement of affairs on 31/12/2018. So now I'm going to concentrate only on the tableau column which shows me the balance of 31/12/2018. The items doesn't differ. So the first liability is going to be the same, creditors, but my balance may differ. The creditors for 31/12/2018 is 1,95,000. Next is going to be my loan. So my bank loan doesn't change in both the figures, so it's going to be the same, 60,000. Next is going to be the bills payable. So bills payable also changes here, so that is 45,000. So next, ultimately, I'm going to get my capital, that is, this is going to be my closing capital. So this is going to be my balancing figure. So I write it down there. Next, I'm going to concentrate on the asset side. So if we move on to the asset side, my first asset. So my first asset is cash at bank. So cash at bank is rupees 90,000. Second one is stock. Stock is 1,40,000. Next is debtors. Debtors is 2 lakh. Lastly, it's plant and machinery, which doesn't change in both the columns, that is 1,70,000. So when I add up, I get a balance or the grand total of 6 lakhs for my asset side, which I'm going to copy the same in the same line. So I get 6 lakhs here. The same line, I'm going to copy it. Now my liability side total is only 3 lakhs. So 6 lakh minus 3 lakhs of liability side total, I get a difference amount of 3 lakhs, which is going to be my closing capital. So using the closing capital, which you get from statement of affairs as on 31/12/2018, and using the opening capital, which you got from the statement of affairs as on 1/1/2018, we are going to prepare a statement of profit or loss. So first let me write down the format and then we can do the sum. So now let's calculate the statement of profit or loss. Now I've written down the format of it. The closing capital is going to be 3 lakhs, which we are going to take it from the statement of affairs. Now the drawings is for 2,500 per month is given, so I'm going to multiply it into 12 and make it 30,000, because we calculate statement of profit or loss for one complete year. So it's going to be 30,000. So 3 lakh plus 30,000 is 3 lakh 30,000. Now the additional capital introduced during the year is 50,000. So when I subtract 3 lakh 30,000 and 50,000, I get 2 lakh 80,000. Finally, my opening capital from the statement of affairs as on 1/1/2018 was 2 lakh 50,000. So when I subtract that from the adjusted capital, I get a profit of 30,000. So this is the second way of doing the statement of affairs when both the capitals are not given.